Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? You have tuned into Rules for Rebels. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a new feature Amazon is rolling out. It really won't affect you guys as sellers, but it will affect buyers. And figured you guys might find this interesting. Amazon will now let Prime members pick which day to get their items delivered, and it's a stealthy way for the company to cut down on its fastest rising cost. And this is actually kind of interesting. So I only perused the article. I'll be giving it a read with you guys for the first time. But essentially, it sounds like you're going to be able to pick, quote unquote, your Prime Day. So maybe I work Monday through Thursday and I'm off on Fridays, and for whatever reason I want my packages to show up on Fridays, so that they don't get stolen off the porch or sit out in the rain or whatever else. I can elect Friday to be my Prime Day, and then when I order things, I can choose to either get them in, the normal 2-day shipping or 1-day Prime shipping, whatever might be offered. Or if it's something I don't really need, or maybe a higher ticket item that I want to be home to receive, I can select it to show up on Friday, my Prime Day. And this is actually really smart on Amazon's part because it's going to save them a bunch of money on costs, and it's, I guess, kind of a service to the customer as well. So let's kind of give this a quick read. Let's see. Amazon has announced Amazon Day, an initiative that lets customers pick the day of the week they want their Amazon orders to be delivered. All orders designated for the Amazon Day made that week will be delivered on that day, grouped in one shipment. And it can be convenient for customers to control which day an order will be delivered. It also helps Amazon lower its ballooning shipment costs by processing and fulfilling fewer orders, with fewer of them needing to get to the customer in 2 days or less. It's actually funny. I was just meaning to cancel my Prime membership. Back when it was like 89 bucks or 79 bucks or whatever it was, I kind of justified it that, okay, I get access to Amazon, TV shows or their version of Netflix. I forget what that's called. You get access to Amazon Music, which my girlfriend loves Amazon Music. I personally hate it. I prefer Pandora. I'll actually listen to Pandora with the commercials over listening to Amazon Music, just because I like the playlists and things like that they have on Pandora. But I used to order a lot of little like junk and garbage off of Amazon. I used to be placing orders all the time, and even if I wasn't ordering like junk for myself, I'd go on all these deal review sites and get free stuff, and then either give it away or resell it on Amazon. But the deal sites haven't been as active. You no longer get free stuff. Now it's only discounted stuff. And I was thinking the other day, I'm like, I bet you I haven't ordered anything off Amazon in like 6 or 8 months, but I'm paying Prime, which I forget how the numbers break down, but I think you need to order, probably at least 2 to 3 items per month to make it worthwhile. And I was just meaning to cancel my Prime subscription, and I just noticed they billed me the other day, so I guess I'm in for another year. But that's kind of why Amazon's so successful. They build all these. Amazon's really smart. Like, they build the Kindle, and now they got everybody reading books and buying books pretty much exclusively from Amazon. They get you hooked into Amazon Prime, and you never want to pay shipping again, so you might as well order everything off Amazon. So they really are good at kind of drawing you in. But as the article goes, now Amazon Day can be whenever you want it to be. Amazon Prime members can designate a day of the week to have all their shipments delivered. The initiative is called Amazon Day. Customers can also, and think about this, Amazon is kind of integrating themselves into your life. Now you have your own Amazon Day. Hey, it's Amazon Days, just like it's garbage day. So Amazon's really good at this. Customers can also switch around their Amazon Day from week to week if their ideal delivery date changes. So that's interesting. I was wondering if you'd have to lock yourself into like every Friday. I know at a job I used to work years ago, I had a rotating schedule where this week Thursday is my day off, but next week Saturday is my day off. So they will let you change it out week to week. Here's the way it works. Prime members designate a day of the week as their quote-unquote Amazon Day. When customers make an order, they can choose their Amazon Day as part of the shipping page, or they can choose Prime like normal. When a day arrives, all items that were designated for that shipment will arrive in as few boxes as possible. This can be convenient for customers for a few reasons. Those worried about theft can pick a day when they expect to be home. Okay, so that's one of the reasons I figured. If they don't need the item right away and are concerned about the environment, they can cut down on the environmental impact. It can also be more predictable than a bunch of separate orders. Amazon Day adds another level of convenience to the many shipping benefits Prime members already enjoy. Maria Renz, the Vice President of Delivery Experience at Amazon, said in a statement, Prime members can now choose to get their orders delivered together in fewer boxes whenever possible on the day that works for them. But the real benefits may be for Amazon, as grouping items into fewer shipments is cheaper and easier for the company. Amazon said it saw huge savings in a test run it ran before launching a full service. We've been testing this program with a group of Prime members, and Amazon Day has already reduced packaging by tens of thousands of boxes, a number that will only continue to grow now that the program is available to Prime members nationwide, Ren said. That may also help lessen Amazon's ballooning cost of fulfilling Prime shipping, which has jumped in recent years. Amazon's fulfillment costs reached $25.2 billion in 2017, up 43% from 2016. Estimates from the benchmark analyst Daniel Kurnos pegs 2018 number at nearly $10 billion more, jumping to $43.3 billion in 2019. As Prime shipping becomes the norm, more customers rely on it for speed and convenience. We'll most likely see Amazon come up with more scenarios designed to convenience customers that don't always need their items in 2 days. And it looks like that's the article. So I'm curious to hear from you guys. I think from a business standpoint, this is pretty smart. They bill it as a service to you, which it is. But it's also going to save them a bunch of money. I'd also be curious to hear from you guys. Like, how many of you guys are Prime members? The last stat, I'll have to Google this. The last stat I checked, I think it was something like 63% of U.S. households have Amazon Prime, so like well over half. I'm curious, do you guys have Prime? Do you see a value with it? Have you discontinued it? We would love to hear your thoughts on that as well. But that's it, guys. New Amazon Prime Day coming. They didn't say when it's rolling out. I just happened to hop on Amazon a few minutes ago just to see if it was an option that was available to me, and I didn't see anything for it. So probably going to be rolling out here soon. Again, shouldn't affect you guys as sellers at all, but it will save Amazon some money and potentially make some buyers' lives more convenient. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.